Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a free domain for Blogger websites in 2024. So today I'm going to show you how to get a free domain. Of course, having a custom domain can make your blog look more professional and attracts more people. It will also help you build your brand very fast and easy. So make sure to follow by or stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you can simply just go and open a browser from here. I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Of course, make sure to just go and open your Blogger account. So go to this URL section, just type blogger.com, hit the enter button, and then make sure to log in into your account if you're logged in. If you're not logged in, of course, make sure to go and create your account. So if you're looking, first of all, for a free domain, of course, Blogger already provided one. Once you create your account in Blogger, you will get a free subdomain that looks like basically your blog name .blogspot.com. While this is a good starting point, a custom domain might give you your blog example more polished appearance and can help you with branding. So if we go as example, click on add a new post here on this left panel. For me, I'll just do some random stuff here in the post. So I'll just go and add some stuff. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just slamming my keyboard. Here in the title, I'll just type testing as example. I'll just type just testing. Then I'll just go here. Of course, you can click on preview if you have some interactive stuff. Click on publish. For me, I'll just go and click on publish. As you can see, this will publish this this will publish this post into your blog. Click on confirm, and as you can see, it will be published right away into my blog. Of course, I can click on it and see everything about it. As you can see, so just testing the blog and everything. Of course, you can preview it before publishing it. You can update it. You can do a lot of stuff. And of course, to see like the URL or the subdomain or the free subdomain that Blogger first of all already give you. If you want just the subdomain is already enough for you. So you can go to this left panel, click on view blog. And as you can see, you'll find that's right here. So as you can see, as we said, your name, the name that you choose by your own, .blogspot.com. If you look as an example on its own Google, so Google example, you just go and do like see like .blogspot.com. Just see as example. So as you can see, nothing will look, it will not like appear in Google. Why? Because it's just a subdomain. Not like if you're going to to look for, I don't know if that's even, of course here, if you didn't type it in Google right away, sorry, I didn't want to go to GoDaddy. If you didn't type it here, or if you type it like here, as example, if I go to it, .blog like spots.com. Of course, if I type it here, it will get me right away into it. But if I type it in Google, it will not show. As example, if I type here, I'll just check one of my domains, so .online. And as an example, yeah, this will not show because I have no websites assigned to the domain. I have the domain, but no websites assigned to it. Even if I type it here as an example, I don't think it will get me somewhere. But let's just check as example. I don't think it will get me somewhere. As you can see, it's just launching soon a website that has nothing on it. So yeah. So basically, it's even has some shitty SEO ranking. So it will not appear. Of course, it's not even for free. It's like a paid domain. Just keep that in mind. So in order for you to get some free domains, for me, let's first of all just go and manage and delete this. Of course, this will be published also with your subdomain that you'll get. And for you, as we said, to get your free domain, you'll need to explore promotions and free domain registers. So of course, many domain registers like Namecheap, GoDaddy, and others often have promotions where you can get a free domain for the first year. These promotions are usually available around major sale events like Black Friday or Friday, Cyber Monday, as example. So make sure to check the terms and conditions as these domains typically renew as a standard price after the first year. Of course, there are even some other services that offer some free domain with certain limitation. Freenome, as an example, provides free domains with extensions like .tk, .ml, .ga.cf. I don't know. They have like GQ, I guess. So it's actually, while these extensions are less like common than .com, or as example, .net as example, those are less common, right? Like .ck and etc. But they can be a good option for starting out, especially for free. So you can visit, of course, freenom.com and search your desired domain and follow the registration process. Once you have your domain, you can simply just then connect it to your Blogger site. About connecting, you can go and check it on another video. But today I'm just going to show you. So example, open a new tab, just go to freenom.com, hit the enter button. And as you can see, so I'll just wait for the page to load. Here you'll be able to find a free domain for yourself. Of course, you'll need to provide your web hosting by your own. So here you'll just look for the free domain that you want and see if it's available. If it's available, you can register it by your name. Of course, it will be free, but as I said, it will be .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, .gq domain name. That's all. And of course, a domain name will be for free, of course, for the first 12 months, which is really good and cool. Other options other than that, I guess there's the .tq. This will also provide for you a free domain name. It's the most popular websites for free domain name registers, but it's just in Bangladesh as an example. And make sure it's not secure. Just keep that in mind. Third option that I know is biz.nf. I don't know if this one is still working or not. Yeah, okay, so it's still working. As example, so as you can see here, you'll get a free domain, but you will need to get a web hosting plan as example. As you can see, you can get a free plan with them in here. Click on free plan as example in here. As an example, so you'll get a free domain with this extension, but you'll need a web hosting plan, and they can provide that as you can see here for free. As you can see, you can first of all now or choose the domain that you want. As example, something like that. Normally .com you didn't find it, so just look for something less usual. Of course, you can check for the .com. It's actually up to you. As example, let's just say example this one. It will probably show that's not available, but let's just check. Why not? Let's just wait for it. It's taking some time in here. So as you can see, it's not available. You can choose other options. You have a lot of options here, but as you can see, most of them are paid. All they have prices in here. So for you, you will not get this for free as example. So you either have to provide for you, or this biz.nf will either provide a free domain with c1.biz extensions. For example here, if we look for, as example, this c1. As you can see, they don't even have it here. Why? Because they either will provide you with a free web hosting or a free domain. You either choose to get a free domain from them or a free web hosting. It's actually up to you to choose whatever suits you, as an example. And like, as an example, that's going to be it. Of course, as you can see, if you want this c1.biz, you can simply just go and enter that in here. So, for example, if you want it, of course, you can register it for free. As you can see, it's available. You can click on register now. But as you can see, they will ask you to get a web hosting. They'll ask you for it to get a web hosting. So you click on the control panel, log in into a web hosting that you already have. Click on login. Once you're logged in, you will be able to get that free domain. So yeah, that's how you get a free domain for a blogger. Of course, there's other options, but I don't think it's not working anymore, which is co.nr. So go in there. I don't think it's working anymore. Yeah, cool things are coming. And yeah, so that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.